Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into how to prioritize work using Todoist's today and upcoming views. This is your complete guide for 2025 and beyond. First off, let's start with the Today view. Log into your Todoist account and click on the Today button on the left side of your screen. This view shows you all the tasks you've got lined up for the day. The reason we start here is to get a snapshot of our immediate priorities. Let's get those tasks sorted. You can drag and drop tasks to rearrange them. Put the most important tasks at the top. This helps us because our eyes naturally start at the top of a list, and it's important to tackle the high priority tasks first. Now that we've done that, let's add some labels. Click on a task, then click on the label icon. It's the one that looks like a tag. Type in a label that represents the task's priority level, like high, medium, or low. Using labels makes it easy to visually distinguish between tasks of different priority levels. Next up, we're moving to the Upcoming view. Click on the Upcoming button on the left side of your screen. This view shows you everything that's on your plate for the future. This is where we plan ahead and ensure we're prepared for what's coming. In the Upcoming view, you'll want to start scheduling tasks. Click on a task, then select a date from the calendar that pops up. Scheduling tasks is crucial so that we know exactly when we need to start working on them. Once your tasks are scheduled, let's repeat the process of labeling. Apply priority labels to your tasks, just like we did in the Today view. This will ensure that you're fully aware of your upcoming priorities. So that's it. You've now learned how to prioritize your work with Todoist's Today and Upcoming views. Remember, the key is to keep your tasks organized, labeled, and scheduled. This simple, yet effective approach will help you stay on top of your work and never miss a deadline. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.